Hello guys, welcome to K1 Repair Center. This is the video is for our customer who want to update the repair status, the warranty, to reprint the receipt, chat with us, make a book appointment, get our store offer. The software what you are using, when highly recommended, is called Repair Spots. Is work with the iOS, is iPhone, iPods and iPads. Is good for the retail as well, if in case you are interested. What you all need to do, that is what I'm going to show you this demonstration today, is for our customer who bring a phone or tablet or computer or anything in the shop for repair and it can track them repair. What you need to do first, you need to go to the app stores and download this called the Repair Spots. Download it, I have downloaded already. Unless you open it, you come that page there, you go down the bottom bit, is a sign up. Once again, let me zoom it in. So now you are going to as the customer, go to the customer, fill the email address, password, confirm your password, first name, last name, phone number, city, and it's if male or female. Store code, the store code, you all need to get your, when you have a repair tool, that you can find out which store is it, and the store code, if you are going to our website, let me just show you that one. If I find this Safari here, I lost it. Okay, I don't think, yeah, go to the Safari, write it down, K1 Repair Center.com. So click the three line on the top right, open, go on the trackings, you go in here, track your repairs, and this is our store code, K1CKMKR. Every store has got a unique codes that you need to use it. Ours is that codes over there. So if I go copy that one and go back there, after you fill it everything off, put the store code in that one, press the find the repair shop, and let's see, show you that one there, and at the top there's our shop name, K1 Repair Center, and the bottom there's selected repair shop, that one you selecting it, just to press the accept the term of condition. Is no marketing or anything, you don't need to worry about that, and it's all your information will be safe in there, because we are using this software and we ourselves is very strict with the privacy for the customer. However, when you fill everything off, create the account, you will receive an email to your email address to confirm that who you are, honestly, that you confirm your email, and that's it. You are logged in and you can use it. If you have any question, drop me email or comment on this video. I try my best to help you. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center.